Welcome back to Wealth Society Unlocked, the channel where we break down the real strategies to build wealth, create freedom, and unlock your full potential. Today, we're diving into a hot one: AI side hustles that can make you rich in 2025. Whether you're a student, a 9-to-5 warrior, or already hustling on the side, this video is your blueprint to using artificial intelligence to make serious money. And no, you don't need to be a tech genius. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and grab something to take notes. Let's unlock your wealth. AI isn't just the future, it's the now. What used to take hours now takes minutes. What used to cost thousands now costs zero with free tools. The AI economy is booming, from content creation and automation to business support and design, and smart people are cashing in. Think about this. A few years ago, if you wanted to start a business, you needed capital, connections, and time. Now, you just need a laptop and the right AI tools. Let's talk about 5 high-potential AI side hustles that you can start today to stack cash, build momentum, and maybe even quit your job. First up, AI-powered content creation. With tools like ChatGPT, Copied at AI, Jasper, and Descript, you can write blogs, newsletters, captions, and even full ebooks in minutes. Blogging for businesses. Many small businesses want blog posts, but can't afford a content writer. You can charge $50 to $150 per blog post and use ChatGPT to generate drafts, then polish them in 15 minutes. YouTube scripts and TikTok captions. Creators are hiring people to write short-form scripts. With AI, you can deliver dozens a week and scale fast. Newsletter ghostwriting. High-income professionals and entrepreneurs are building personal brands. Offer to ghostwrite their emails using AI. Start on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or just cold DM people you follow on LinkedIn or Instagram offering samples. You can realistically earn $500 to $2,000 per month doing this part-time. Next, AI-generated digital products. This is one of the most scalable and passive AI hustles in 2025. You can use AI to create and sell ebooks. Use ChatGPT to write guides on trending topics. Planners and journals. Use tools like Canva plus ChatGPT for text ideas. Printables. Create calendars, affirmations, checklists. Courses or slide decks. Use AI to create full course outlines, lessons, and visuals. Real example: a digital Etsy shop owner made $10,000 plus a month selling AI-generated workbooks and journals in niches like mental health, business, and relationships. Tools to use: ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, Midjourney or Doll-E for images, Gumroad, Etsy, or Pay Up to Sell. You make it once, and it sells over and over again. Side hustle number 3, AI voiceovers and AMP. Audio editing. With tools like 11 Labs, Muff, or Levo.ai, you can create professional voiceovers for YouTube channels, audiobooks, TikToks and AMP, Instagram Reels, online courses, ads and sales videos. You don't need to talk at all. You can sell voiceovers in different languages, tones, and styles using these tools. Add background music and boom, professional audio in 10 minutes. Monetization. Charge per project, starting at $25 to $100. Sell voiceover packs for social media creators. Offer services on freelancing platforms or AI voiceover bundles on Gumroad. Target faceless YouTube channels and e-learning companies. These are exploding in 2025. This one's for the real hustlers. Start a chatbot agency using tools like ManyChat, Tidio, or Chatbase. What do chatbots do? They answer FAQs, qualify leads, and help customers, all without a human. What's the opportunity? Local businesses are losing customers because of slow replies. Offer them a custom AI chatbot to boost leads and automate their DMs. You can build a bot in 1 to 2 hours and charge $300 to $1,500 per month on retainer. How to start? Pick a niche: real estate agents, gyms, salons, or e-commerce. Build one chatbot as a sample. Reach out via email, LinkedIn, or in person. Offer a free 7-day trial, then close the deal. This model can turn into a full-time income if you land just a few clients. Lastly, AI video creation agency. Video is king, and with tools like Pictory, Runway ML, Synthesia, and CapCut AI, you can create high-quality videos without filming anything. Offer services like TikTok and Instagram Reels for brands, faceless YouTube video creation, course content for online educators, promo ads for e-commerce brands. Use ChatGPT to write the script, use AI voiceover, use stock video or AI-generated video edit in CapCut or Pictory done. Charge $100 to $500 per video or $1,000 plus monthly for content packages. To recap, AI isn't here to take your job, it's here to give you opportunities. In 2025, the people who win financially are not the smartest, they're the fastest to adapt. You don't need to code. You don't need a degree. All you need is the mindset to learn, apply, and stay consistent. Comment below, which of these 5 side hustles are you going to try first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more Wealth Society Unlocked content. Until next time, stay sharp, stay hungry, and stay unlocking that wealth.